Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another headlamp review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is the NU33. Now I was sent this directly from the NitecoreStore.com. They wanted me to feature this on my channel. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up and see what's in. Everything is underneath here. Nice packaging. Not a huge fan of the molded plastic. So we're going to start off here. Here's the quick guide, also known as a manual. Now, the specs here are a little small on this particular manual, so I'm going to go ahead and post it on screen for you. And as you can see, the maximum light output that this can do is 700 lumens, which is a lot of light for a headlamp. Especially most people that I know use them as a secondary light to something else that they are carrying. Now, of course, if you're jogging or bicycling, it's going to be your main source of light. So you want it to last the longest as possible. Now, if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to continue on. One warranty card here as well. USB Type-C charging cable. Looks like Type-C is taking over the world. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the headlamp here. Comes pre-assembled, nice. And there it is. Now believe it or not, I use these type plastic body ones because they're super lightweight and they're really comfortable to carry on your head for long periods of time. Now Nitecore went with a white band here. Normally it's yellow, but that looks nice. Easy to adjust that, but I have a huge head, so go ahead and keep that back up there. Nice to see that Nitecore compensates for people who might have larger heads. Now the body here on this is an aluminum. So show you here on the bottom is the charging port. Now Nitecore makes the previous model I've done reviews on that have the plastic body like I was saying before, and I wear them all the time when I need my hands-free light because they are so lightweight. Now this one here is a little bit heavier than those, but not by much. That's the adjustment, so if you have it on your head, you can easily aim it down a little bit if you need to. It's got little areas where it will stop. Here's the back of the light. Now this is a sealed unit, so like the other ones that I've reviewed that have the plastic body, you could take the battery out and use regular AAA cells, but this one you cannot do so. It's got the 2-button design here on the top. Feels rugged. Band feels nice, comfortable. Now the style and design on this is nice. Pretty straightforward on its looks. Now right here on the side you can see this is a battery level indicator there. And the machining and finish on this, because it is metal, is very nice. Okay, so now you've got special optics here. You've got a warm white, cool white, and then a red light in there. 3 LED configuration. Now Nitecore doesn't say what LEDs they're using in this headlamp. Okay, well normally I would open it up and show you the insides. We can't do that on this model. So now let's go through the UI. Now to get through that, you're going to press down and hold. You can select it after that. Once you choose the LED that you want to use, simply clicking the other button here. This only has a beacon here, as you can see. Then it goes back to solid. So now we'll go to the white LED, cool white. You have different light levels there. I'll show you the beam profile here on this. Got a nice centralized hotspot here. A little bit of bleeding around the edge. Spill tapers off. We'll go through those light outputs again. Now when you want to go to the warm LED, simply click that. Now you have more of a floodlight. Just 2 levels there. And we'll click it again, go to the red one. So nice light output here. 700 lumens, actually quite a bit of light. Now you can press and hold to shut it off, put it in a standby. Press down and hold will turn it back on. Again, you can change it. Same goes for this. You can shut it off if you wish. It's really up to you. Pretty neat. And it's really easy to operate as well. Buttons are not real stiff and they are relatively large where you can easily find them in the dark. Now you do have a battery level indicator here like I was showing you earlier. It's only 50% looks like. So we'll definitely charge this up before I take it out there. Now to lock out this light, you're going to press down and hold both buttons here on the top. Now the light will not come on. It does blink, but that's it. Letting you know it's locked out. Press down and hold both lights buttons there. We'll unlock it and it'll come back on, the last LED we used. So nice light output, especially for a headlamp. This one here having the metal body, it is nice. Now there is a protection piece here. We'll remove that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and show the one final thing, special modes. So press down and hold. We're going to go to the middle LED, simply going to double press the little button here. Once you do that, goes to SOS. Now you're going to use the big button to go to the beacon. And we'll hit the big button again. We'll go back to SOS. Now click this one time, shuts it off. Again, you can simply press down and now you're back on your regular LED. Press down and hold, press down and hold again. We'll go back to the light, LED light that you want to use. And that's all there is to this. Pretty simple operation, easy to use. Got 2 Kelvin rated bulbs that you could use if you like warm, or if you like cooler white. You've got it all in one lamp, including that red for reading in the dark, especially if you're wanting to conserve your night vision. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nitecore NU33, which is on my head. I'm going to go ahead and get started here, and it is on the red. Very nice light output, nice full beam across the way. Fall is here, extremely cold out here, and as you can see, it's doing well. So now we're going to go ahead and show you the blinking mode here, which just give you an idea on what that does. We'll go back here. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the white light, and we're going to do this here. See the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Making 65 feet there to that tree there. Water spout 38 feet. It's got some nice little spill area here, and it is faintly making the tree of life. We're going to go up to next level here. Light has really come alive now. Shows you how cold it is. I think it's about 22 degrees. Had some crazy weather here lately. Still making that tree there, 138 feet. Remember, 700 lumens is a lot of light for most applications. We'll go to the next level here. Really come alive there. We'll do a beam profile here. Give you an idea how wide that beam is. Hot spot. Got some nice range on this. See it across the park there to those playgrounds. Now it is making 238 feet there to the tree behind the tree of life. So that's good. And it is making the school. And now we're back down. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the next LED here, which is the warm but really diffused beam. See, up close, if you're reading something like a map, this is actually a good light level here. So we're going to go up to the next level there. Now it comes to live with that, and you can see here a really nice wide beam all the way out to the sides, all the way down. So, and you can still see the water spout there, 38 feet. So that's about the extent of the beam here, to show you how it tapers off pretty quickly the further out you get there. So very nice color temperature on this. You can see all the different colors. So if this is what you're looking for, very nice. We got the red LED, of course. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. A very nice performing light. Now the warm LED definitely suited for up close. So if you're reading something and you need just that warm diffused light, easy on the eyes. Cool white tends to be a little harsh, especially, you know, your color rendition in your foreground. You'll definitely see the difference, but this one here does pretty good. The light output is definitely very dispersed, more of a flood, but very soft. And this one here, of course, the middle one, is going to project that beam quite a bit more. The red LED is that option also if you're wanting to conserve your eyesight for nighttime use. The red LED, you'd be surprised that it doesn't affect or cause those spots in your eyes when you're using that red LED. The build quality on this is solid, no issues there, top notch. This one having the metal body is a little bit different as far as this type of style, that is, compared to the plastic ones. This one here is a little bit heavier, but not by much. Still comfortable. Definitely will forget this is on your head after a while. Alright, well, I want to thank Nitecore store for sending me this NU33 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description. Also, my special discount code to help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button, donate to my channel if you wish, or please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these headlamps from Nitecore to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.